Man, I'm telling so. I'm rapping this real life of a life storytelling his lifestyle. It's really going down, man. I'm twisting it up. What the fuck, nigga? I told you I ain't stuck. I can rap. It's a rap war of my life. Okay, okay then. Let me get this motherfucker lace it up tight. Hell yeah, put the light up tight, blunt, ooh wee. I'm high as hell on that dough, don't you fucking know what, okay. I'm really rapping, rap war of his life, though, lifestyle. It's really on the fucking line, but he's cool, quick, sick nigga, spitting nigga, woo wee. Nigga shit, ooh, goddamn, I'm hot, fresh, too sick in the fucking street. What? Somebody, I'm telling you so. Pick this nigga up, yo, he's in that nigga, yo, I know. Yeah, I'm telling you, man, the streets is really ready for me. Yo, what a dope pad. I'm telling you, better put it up or I'm gonna snatch your fucking pack. I'm telling you so, that's how bad I need this motherfucking money in my life, yo. My life, man, I'm trying to set a foundation for my fam, though. Yes, I do, though. I smoke a dro, though. Yes, do get really twisted up in my brain. My brain insane. 5150 with me, nigga, I know. Like it know me too, what the fuck, nigga, cold chills all the way out here in the fucking streets. I'm a struggle in every fucking way, that's why I'm trying to rap my music that way. Every day stay, hey, every night too. Goddamn, pick this nigga up. I'll do 100 million bars if I have to. I'm telling you so. I've probably done a couple 100 million bars though, I know. What, okay then. Let's light this motherfucker up though. Hey, here I go. Man, it's a real out here in the fucking street though, I know. It's a real radio rapping now. Oh, here I go. Hey, I'm just trying to say, if somebody put me on the team, man, I can be the best nigga. Rapping on all them haters hating on me any fucking way. I don't even care no more. I got so much style, niggas on freestyle, whipping it up, goddamn, caked up too. Yeah, I need 100,000, bang, though, I know. I'm a sick figure nigga, though, hell yeah. I'm telling you so, I'll be the 100 million nigga one day, maybe a billionaire too. What I gotta do? I'm so fucking hood true. At the same time, nigga, I'm rims, rhymes, blues. Well, where am I gonna get them 28 shoes? With this music in my life, though, yes, I do know. I'm gonna have them big shoes on that motherfucking bucket truck, yeah. I'ma spin mud on all them fucking haters hating on me every fucking day. Hey, fuck you haters any fucking way. I'm living in my stand of a backbone, strong motherfucker trying to make it in the music business, I know. Hey, here I go. What I gotta do? Come on, man, and pick this nigga up. I'm thriving real dog. Yes, I am thriving for my view of my eye. Brand new. Come on, I'm telling you so. I'ma rap this motherfucker real though. Yes, I do. I told you so. I'm gon' blow up in the world, do what I gotta do. Hunt it with me. Yeah, real in the streets, y'all.